In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to fund your Tradovate account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Tradovate and log into your account. Then from here it should bring something like this, and as you can see up here, you'll need to go up to the right hand corner where it says Application Settings. Once you're in here, you'll see under Accounts, under Account Live Account, that you will be able to add a fund account. Once you do that, you will see here that you can choose from, and here you can choose between your debit card, a digital wallet, a ACH, or direct wire from your bank account. If you choose a debit card, you can see here that you're going to read all of this, click Next, and then from here you can see that you'll need to click I agree, that you have the form of risk of disclosure, and this one right here. From here you also need to add your signature by writing in your full name that you use to sign up with your account. From here you can click sign, and then from here you'll see add a debit card where you can add your card number and all of these other details that you will usually do when you need to fund an account in any trading platform. Once you do that, you'll need to click add a debit card, and from here you'll simply choose how much money you will need to send over from your debit card to your Tradovate account. From here, as you can see, it will take about 1 business day to successfully fund your account. But when you do that, you'll see the money up here inside of your account under equity. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.